welcome to my channel, ASR Custom Designs. In this video I am going to show you guys how to use heat transfer vinyl, the kind that you can iron on with a heat press or an iron. And I got these cute little, so if you know what those like freezy pops are, so these are little holders for freezy pops, and I found them on Amazon. I'll put the link in the comment or in the description of this video so you guys can check them out, and also link my Etsy page with them on there. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys how I take my, I've already peeled some of it off, but the vinyl, heat transfer vinyl, and I'm gonna put it on this, and it's gonna be a cute little holder for kids. So, alright, let's go ahead and get started. And I'm going to, so I'm gonna go ahead and start peeling it off around the letters. And when you're doing heat transfer, you want to make sure you keep your letters on, and only thing that you want to take off in heat transfer is the I'm going to take the inside part. So take your weeding tool like so, and you're going to take your thing, and you're going to line it up on there like that. Okay, so you stick it on like that. Alright guys, so what I'm going to do next here is I'm going to have my heat press all ready to go for doing the popsicle holders to press them. So I'm going to show you guys how I do that. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your whatever piece you're doing, you're going to make sure it's lined up really good on your thing, lay it down, and next you're going to take your paper here, this here, and it helps protect it. And you're going to lay that on top like that, and then you're going to press it down, and then when it beeps you pick it up. Up very carefully because it is hot. I try to see, there it is, and I try to make sure it's on there really good before I peel it off. All the letters are down, and they are, and there you go. I'll show you guys one more. There. I'm going to take my paper again here, lay it on top of it like so, and then lift it up. And that is how you do your heat transfer vinyl with the heat press. You don't have to use a heat press. You can do also like the Cricut like little iron things, or just a normal iron, basic iron that you have at the house. So yeah, that's what I want to share with you guys, just how to do the HTV vinyl, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Have a good evening. Bye.